director, no? Si Lloyd Mamaril. Okay, paano nyo nabuo yung Pura Pagkain? Ano siya? Grupo ba to? Kasi, sorry, hindi ako masyadong familiar sa kung grupo sila, no? Paano nyo pinagsama-sama sila kung hindi sila grupo? Paano nyo naisipan kung Pura Pagkain unforgettable concert? Pakikishare ka sa mic ko. My gosh.
So, yung Pura Pagkain po kasi, katulad sinabi ni Sue kanina, galing siya sa digital concert ng One Music. No? So, doon nakitaan namin ng producers, of course, si Bernice, and our partners also, EJ Echo. Na it's time actually for these 4 girls. Ako nga, me as a director, I see these 4 girls are the next big thing in Philippine entertainment, first to say. No? They're the next it girls, so to say, no? in the Kapamilya Network. So, I think it's perfect na talagang bigyan na sila ng break na katulad nito for a kind.
Pero bakit Music Museum na? Why not here?
Ako po, me as a director, I find Music Museum as a perfect venue for them. Kasi, just like all big artists, lahat sila nagsimula saan po? Sa Music Museum. So, pag itong 4 na to, nag-fly pa sila, at least, na-try na lang Music Museum. Tsaka, they can say na, yes, we started out in the Music Museum where all big artists started.